Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this FPS lag sort of video effect to your videos on CapCut PC. So add in your video and you're just going to simply select effects, and then you're going to select this Doodle Diary one. It's under trending, so you don't have to go that far to find it. So it's this one, and just add it to your video. And then here you're going to delete the filters and also the texture and stickers. If you want to add them, that's fine, but I'm just not going to add them. And as you can see, it creates this really cool FPS lag effect. It's just basically the speed needed. You can adjust the speed here if you want the lag to be faster, and if you want the lag to be slower, move it to the left, but I prefer moving it to the right. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!